Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday, September 24th, 2020. I'm here with your science lesson for today. We are finishing off the comparing cells activity. So far you did C, D, and A. Today we're wrapping things up with day B. And when we're done with all the stuff on here, you're going to submit all those things up on Schoology to end it. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get rocking and rolling with this. Day B, we're doing our online microscopes and video. So you're going to click on the following links, follow the directions that are on the slide, answer any questions when they are highlighted. So you're going to go to our microscope website again. Actually, I have it already loaded up here from earlier. I'm just going to go back to the main menu so you can follow along with how everything is. Load it up in Chrome, that way you can do the dual screen or go back and forth between them. You're going to hit Explore at the bottom when it pops up here. You're going to hit the question mark. We're going to go to Plant Slides, and you're going to go to the plant cell first. You're going to do the focusing in on this part. I think for this, have you taken pictures all the way through. So for our cells, yes, you gotta give me the 4x, the 10x, and then the 40x and the 100x. So for each one of these, screenshot that, go up to 10, focus it in, screenshot that one, go up to 40x. Hey, there you can see more of the chloroplasts here that we couldn't really the other day. You kind of see him adjust the light, see all those little dots everywhere. Not the big guy in the middle. The big guy is still going to be the nucleus, but all those little ones everywhere, those are going to be the chloroplasts, so they're a little bit more detailed with it. We'll add the oil for that 100x one. Then you're able to see now, I'm going to focus it in a little bit. You can see kind of some of the chloroplasts are kind of faded around, but they're everywhere in there. Let's see if we can get it adjusted. Yes, if you crank up the light, they kind of pop out a little bit more there. See the nucleus right smack dab in the middle with all the chloroplasts. Take a screenshot of that, add it up on here. You're then going to, so that's the plant cell one for today. The onion cell is going to be up there too. If you want to look at the onion cell, you can. You just have to remove slide, use some lens paper, wipe it off, go here, go plant slide, go onion root. This is a little bit different than the one that we looked at in class. We're actually going to look at this one later on in the year because the root actually shows cells dividing. So we actually have these as well. But just so you can kind of see, they got a clear nucleus in the middle. But you can see some of those nuclei look a little bit weird just because they're dividing. So there's only really one plant cell that we're going to spend some time looking at. But the main event on this one is our video, because it's going to go in more in depth about how some of our organelles will actually work. We're going to see if...
I've been waiting to unbox this for a long time.
Looks like you're going to have to sit through an ad here, skip that. There we go. This one's a little bit shorter than the one that we watched the other day, but it's jam-packed full of information. The main thing with this is that we're looking at a cell versus a virus, how they actually infect us. So we talked about this a little bit when we read the COVID-19 earlier in the year. This will actually show, now that we know our organelles, how all of our organelles help in that process. So we can kind of add on to what we've been doing earlier in the year. It'll show you how our cell ends up protecting ourselves, how they end up using some of the energy in there, how we use our little ribosomes with our endoplasmic reticulums, going through, making some energy, what plants end up doing with their solar panels, those chloroplasts. It covers a lot of good things in there. So it's a good video. It's one of my favorites. I kind of tie everything together there. There's 9 questions a part of this, so answer each one of them. A lot of them is just kind of looking at what the video mentions of how it gets in there. Remember, you do not have to write incomplete sentences, just incomplete thoughts. But yeah, there's 9 because this one is jam-packed full of information. And then it's the end of day B. Congrats. Submit everything up to Schoology, and then you'll be done on Thursday there. You have nothing left. If you need any assistance whatsoever over any of the days, make sure that you email me Here's my email once again, bloop, right up above. With that being said, if you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'll hope to see you back here soon. That is the end of Thursday. Submit that stuff on to Schoology, and I'll see you later.